Unlock the power of Gemini Pro 25 and revolutionize your coding workflow. Welcome to this practical guide on leveraging Gemini Pro 25 for writing your next program. We'll dive into the core of prompt engineering, showing you how to craft precise instructions to get the code you need. This isn't about magic. It's about strategic communication with an advanced AI. Step 1. Mastering your prompt. Think of your prompt as a detailed blueprint. Be specific about the programming language, the desired functionality, and any constraints. For instance, instead of saying, write a script, say, write a Python script that fetches data from an API and stores it in a CSV file. Step 2. Code generation strategies. Gemini Pro 25 excels at translating your detailed prompts into functional code. Experiment with different levels of detail. If the initial output isn't quite right, refine your prompt with more context or specific examples. You can also ask Gemini to elaborate on its generated code, explaining the logic behind each section. Step 3. Exploring use cases. The applications are vast. Imagine automating repetitive coding tasks, generating boilerplate code for new projects, or even assisting in debugging by asking Gemini to identify potential errors and suggest fixes. This technology can significantly accelerate your software development lifecycle. Start experimenting with Gemini Pro 25 today and discover a more efficient way to code. Happy coding!